In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders and notifications in Monday.com. Reminders and notifications are a great way to stay on top of deadlines, follow-ups, meetings, and other important updates inside your workflow. In Monday.com, these alerts can help make sure the right person gets notified at the right time, so nothing important slips through the cracks. To get started, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside the platform, open the board where your tasks are stored. In this example, we'll use a sales pipeline board, but the same process works on any board where you want to manage deadlines. Next, click the plus icon to add a new column. From the list of column types, choose Date. This is important because reminders and deadline automations rely on a date field to know exactly when something is due. After adding it, rename the column to Due Date so it's easy to recognize. Now click the calendar inside that column and assign a due date to your item. In this example, select July 15, 2026. Once the date is in place, go to the three-dot menu beside the due date column and open Settings. From there, choose Set as a deadline. This tells Monday.com to treat this date as an actual deadline, not just a reference date. After that, select Priority. Then choose Deal Owner and click Connect Columns. This setup helps tie the deadline to the right context, including how urgent the task is and who is responsible for it. Next, open the three-dot menu again, return to Settings, and select Set Due Date Reminders. This feature lets you create an automation so notifications are sent automatically based on the due date you've chosen. In the automation setup, click When and set the time to 10 o'clock a.m. This defines exactly when the reminder will go out. Then choose Due Date, which means the automation will trigger on the date stored in that column. For the condition, select Priority, then choose Is, and in the Value field, select Critical. This means the reminder will only apply to items marked as critical, which is useful if you want to avoid sending alerts for every single task. Then click Notify, choose Someone, and select Me. After that, set Deal Owner as the primary person to be reminded. This ensures the responsible person receives the notification while also allowing you to include yourself in the process if needed. Finally, click Create Automation to save everything. As a best practice, use date columns for all deadline-based tasks, and make sure each item has an owner assigned so notifications reach the right person. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.